Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gents? I hope you're doing great. It's jacobcrypobury here. Today we're going to look at our friend FANTOM. We are very familiar with FANTOM's volatility, and some of you guys may have witnessed a bit of a misconception in the market recently regarding some news with Andre in FANTOM, and a lot of people thought that this meant the project was going to be completely terminated, abandoned. But that's not the case. And this is one of the tweets here. It says, we're extremely grateful to Andre for all he did for crypto as a whole. However, FANTOM isn't and never was a one-man team. There are 40 plus people working at FANTOM. And we can also see here, as we look here, Michael Kong, he just said, I want to clarify a lot of misinformation going around and share some upcoming FANTOM news. So this is very, very important, that FANTOM is not going anywhere. It's still here, it still exists. As you can see here, I wanted to settle things down before chiming in. So what happened? In one word, miscommunication. So there was a communication error, guys. So if you're still invested in FANTOM, do not worry, it's still one of our very strong layer one infrastructure projects that will have a very bright future ahead of it. So I just wanted to kind of lay that down for you, just to reassure anyone that was a little bit scared or confused about what's going on. And if you're new here, do hop into the Discord down below, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this is FANTOM. So today we can see we've got 9.17 billion locked in with the FANTOM total value locked. Pretty solid numbers. We can see here 1.5 billion market cap, fully diluted value of $4.5 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of 1.5 billion. Sorry, the market cap is 3.6 billion. So massive trading volume, and there's probably a lot to do with the miscommunication. People were liquidating their assets or selling or moving their positions into other projects because they thought it was the end. So if we look at FANTOM, we can see really we've got this huge channel, massive channel here, and I think that's very important to see. On the 30 days we're down 33%. So we're going to take a little look at this, almost like a big giant symmetrical triangle, and we're under the bull market support band on this daily time frame, or this 4-hour time frame right here. And I think it's important to look at these particular levels of resistance. You can see the high here from October, we got the swing low retracement, then we get the impulse over January, we get that retracement to now in February. And it makes you wonder if we're going to get this pump to the upside, because what recently happened is we had the rising wedge, as we spoke about in a recent video of mine. The rising wedge, we fell out, we come back down to this diagonal support level, and it looks like we came to 1.31, and this could be a key area that we might bounce. One thing to look at on the 4-hour time frame is, just like over here on 24th of February, we're oversold on the RSI. Once again, we're oversold on the RSI, and we may get a bullish crossover here on the MACD. We're waiting for the blue line to cross over with the orange line. Now, I reckon we're going to consolidate at this level. We've got a nice V-shaped recovery here on the 4-hour time frame, and I think what can happen is we get a nice bounce to the upside, and we come back up to this resistance over at $1.73. So something kind of like we V-shaped recovery, nice retest of resistance, come down one more time, get that retest of resistance, and then break through to the upside. That would be really nice and ideal to see. So I'm not really seeing any bearish divergence anywhere on the RSI. It just looks like a massive big capitulation, a massive red dirty dumpage. And it's just one of those things. Just do anticipate, if we do break this support here, and we've got lots of support at $1.30, we can come lower, like down to $1.16 from this previous wick here on the 3rd of December. As you see, that is a key area of support. So $1.14, we've written that in as support. $1.14, key area of support. So this is technically, or perhaps, one of our undervaluation zones. If we get the Fibonacci retracement, you can see we're down to that golden pocket 0.618 Fibonacci, which really screams bullishness in my humble opinion. So we could set up for long positions. I'd like to see us come up and retest that bull market support band. I think that's very important. So yeah, what I'm seeing is very big movements here with FANTOM. Distribution, we get the impulse, distribution into a supply. Now really you would expect us to come back up and keep on doing this, but this is speculation. So we could easily come to $3 again in the next few months. We just need the market to tick over bullish. So yeah, that's a bit of an update. Just not really to worry, guys. Phantom is still here. It's not going anywhere. Still a fantastic project. So I hope you enjoyed the content. That's kind of the latest price action right now. Good dollar cost average level from this rising wedge capitulation. So yeah, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you subscribe, guys. See you in the next video. Leave down below some suggestions. Take it easy.